Morning, morning. Look at these ladies. Where's Mr. Cocoa Puff? Okay, he's over there. All right. What? I know you've been fed, so don't even try to trick me into feeding you again. Yes, today is the big day, February 15th. Oh, what? Someone's laying an egg? That is awesome news. Today's February 15th, so we all know what that means. The feed bucket has been sitting up here for 24 hours now. It's empty, and they are waiting. I was telling my husband that they were lining up. I don't think they realize what they're lining up for, though. I think they're lining up for food, but that's not what's going to happen. Anyway, this is always a bittersweet day, but I wanted to kind of take you through the setup. We have what we call our calming cones. Other people refer to them as killing cones. We call them calming cones because as you hang the bird upside down, it calms them. So we'll get them in here, and this is where we'll do the ending part of their life there. And then over here we have our scalding water. We're waiting for that to get up to about 145 degrees. Once we get up to about 145 degrees, we should be good to go. Let's see where we are right now. We're at 134 right now. So about 10 more degrees on that and we will be good to go. Okay, after that, we come over to the fantastic yard bird. Yes, the yard bird is, if you have anything to invest in as far as harvesting your own birds, definitely invest in the chicken plucker. It doesn't have to be the yard bird, but this is the one that we chose and it works incredibly well. 2 birds in 15 seconds. And then from there, we're going to take it over here. And this is where we do all the not so clean business. This is where we'll be gutting the birds here on the table. It's being cleansed right now and sanitized. Got all the knives getting ready and sharpened. So that's where the dirty business is going to happen right here. And then over here, we will have a huge bucket of ice. It started already. This will be where we put the birds after they're all ready to go to their final stage. So they'll just go in here right before we let them rest for a while and then bag them. So that's basically the process. We're kind of waiting to try to get everything set up right now. And it is an absolutely gorgeous day. So let's do this. All right, namaste. Thank you for your sacrifice.
Yes.
145 on the money.
Yeah, the bottom's a lot hotter though.
Yes, so just don't let them touch the bottom. No, Zeus. No, Zeus. Zeus, this is not your chicken, buddy. Calm down. Getting all excited.
All right, so
Oh, that looks like a good-looking bird right there. How's it going? How's it going? It's not too much chasing on these guys, huh? Because they're pretty huge. Eight pounds, 9.5 ounces. That is a big boy. Well, that's 8 pounds, 2.5 ounces. Nice. 8 pounds, 1 ounce. Pounds, 14 ounces. Pounds, 3 ounces. 8 pounds, 5.5 ounces. Well, we still have to clean up a few things from the harvest. It is done and over. It was very successful. We're very pleased with the turnout and the results. We had lots of help and we really appreciated that. Morning, morning, ladies and Mr. Cocoa Puff. Hey, hey. Yes, we still got some things to clean up. Yep, power cords to put away, you know. Hey, Mr. Cocoa Puff, how you doing? You look fantastic, man. Yes. Okay, ladies, how are things? How are things? Good. Okay, yes, I'll give you a little sampling so I can get in peacefully. Yes, I will. This seems so bizarre. Completely empty. Yeah, that's different. All right, so, oh wow, speaking of empty, some of these buckets are empty, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. I think I've got one. I think I've got a winner here. Winner. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Should I? No, probably not. Not in light of the most recent circumstances. Probably not as funny, right? Ladies and Mr. Cocoa Puff. All right. Hold on. Give him a little something to keep him away. Eek. I was trying to get over here before you guys got here, but I didn't make it. I see I didn't make it. Yes, I did not. Okay. Quickly now, we shall go in. Get my workout with this heavy bucket today. I don't know why I do that every time. It's like weird. Excuse me, back up, ladies. Stay out of the bucket. Out of the bucket, ladies. Ladies, really, come on. Come on, over here, watch your feet. Excuse me, I'm coming in. All right. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they haven't eaten in years. It's been years. Come on, honey, really, seriously? All right. Okay, how about over there? Good? All right, love it, thank you. I can kind of get it. Oh, really, now more come over. Oh, is that where the party is? No, that's not where the party is. There you go. Thank you, ladies. Sorry. The hair trigger, people. The hair trigger. Someone's been picking on Ariette. I wonder who it is. She's got a bruise right there. Gotta watch that. Yeah, poor girl. Yeah, someone's been picking on her. Ooh, your craw is really full. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What? Yeah? Who is it? You don't have to point anyone out. Just walk towards them right now. Just kidding. I don't know. All right. Namaste, everyone. It's quiet now. The gentlefolk are gone. It's a new day, ladies. Enjoy your incredibly busy dusting spots. I see that you've burrowed out in various places. Wait for it. Knew that was coming. Yes. How's it going? How is it going there, Mr. Cocoa Puff? Got another one for us? Down here? Okay. Thank you. Boom. All right. Enjoy the breakfast.